How to make 2024 the year that you find love. All you have to do is say these special words. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals, reminding you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Hey, all you have to do is visit lawofattractionsolutions.com. That's my personal website. Okay. This is not a click funnel. Just come and visit us. We have all kinds of information there. We have articles, we have free downloads, we have free ebooks, we have free audios. We have a lot of resources to help you get what you want in 2024. So, high flyers, attracting love, true love. I mean, twin flame love in 2024. It's not about setting a whole bunch of resolutions. New resolutions won't help us if we still have the same outdated, limiting beliefs about love. I mean, anytime you want to make a serious change in your life or bring about a massive change in your life, such as a deep, committed, loving relationship, it's going to require you to shift your. I know you don't want to hear that, but that's the truth. You're going to have to shift your vibration and change some of your limiting beliefs. It's important, high flyers, that you distill down all your feelings into one clear intention. One clear intention, and focus on that intention. Once your subconscious mind embraces new beliefs and higher expectations from yourself and others, you'll begin to see it in your life. So, what's your intention when it comes to love in 2024? You might want to share it down below. At least you're getting it out, you're becoming clear. And look at, if you can't distill it down into one or two, maybe three sentences, then there's a good chance you haven't distilled it down enough for it to be effective. Is your intention to meet your twin flame? Is your intention to fall in love? Do you have an intention to get married or engaged in 2024? Perhaps your intention is to heal a past relationship. Get crystal clear as to the love you desire to receive and the kind of love. You want a casual relationship? Do you want a full commitment? What kind of relationship? Get very clear about what kind of love you desire to receive in 2024. Now, what I've done is I've culled a number of words that have extreme potency, extreme power. And these words, when you listen to them and when you repeat them in your mind, literally begin to reshape the vibrational state of your being. And they put you in alignment with love. They put you in alignment with having the kind of relationship you desire. So I'm going to say these words. And all I ask that you do is close your eyes. You don't have to go into a deep trance. Just close your eyes and say the words with me. These words have extreme power, but you need to say them. And of course, you need to feel them. Each one of these words must become part of you if you are serious about attracting twin flame kind of love, soulmate kind of love in 2024. So with your eyes closed, take that deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth, relaxing your body. Say each one of these words with me. fearlessness. In 2024, you must be fearless when it comes to love. You can't attract a deep, committed, loving relationship in a state of fear. So focus on the word fearlessness. Purity of heart. Not only are you attracting a partner who has purity of heart, but you too must also develop purity of heart, which means that you're going to give up your cynicism and your doubt, and you're going to learn to love and trust. Purity of heart. Steadfastness. A deep, committed, loving relationship is steadfast. It stands the tests of time. And there are a number of tests that we all go through. But you are attracting steadfastness into your life and into your personality. Steadfastness. Self-control. You know, one of the problems with so many relationships is that there's a loss of self-control. And people blow up, they get angry, they have fights. But think about it this way. How much better would your relationship be if you had self-control? Honesty. A real relationship must have honesty. Honesty. Just as a real, true relationship must have honesty, it must have truthfulness. You are always truthful with your partner, and your partner is always truthful with you. Truthfulness. Devotion. A relationship that has devotion has a unique glue, a unique quality that gives it something special beyond an ordinary relationship. You're not just looking for someone who's interested in you. You're looking for devotion. You're attracting devotion. And likewise, you are a devoted person as well. Devotion. Passion. Your relationship is filled with love and passion. Passion. Peacefulness. It's essential that at the core of your relationship, your new relationship in 2024, that there be this element of peacefulness. Everything is peaceful. We are perfect together. Peacefulness. Compassion. Being compassionate about the other person's challenges, about their condition, about what they're going through, and allowing them to show compassion to you as well. Compassion. Gentleness. There's a kind of connection that the two of you share that is deep, it's loving, and it's gentle. Gentleness. Radiance. When you see or are around your partner, you radiate, and your partner radiates around you. Radiance. And last but not least, love. 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 All forms of love. Friendship love, compassionate love, relationship love, deep, committed love. Love. As you say these words every day, they become part of who you are, but they also become part of what you attract. So say them every day. You can write them down, or you can listen to this video. We're here for you. Now, I have another video coming up I want you to check out. I know it'll help you.